Okay, so right now we're gonna be heading to one of my friends. Well, we're gonna be doing one of my friends' cars. We're gonna be shooting his car, and we're gonna be driving around, recording, taking pictures and stuff on one place, which is like in the mountains area. Then we're gonna be heading to downtown Hayward, and yeah, I think that's only the two places that I told him. Today's sponsor is gonna be you guys. You guys are gonna be sponsoring this video by giving the like. So go down below, like. As you guys can see, it's super cold. I mean, my daily, it's broken right now. So we're gonna be taking that Honda. Look, so ice. Oh, there you go. It's 8, about to be 8 in the morning. So I woke up my brother, told him if he could come with me. Oh shit, it's warm inside right now. That's good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I can get more people to let me shoot their car, so I can like do more videos like this. So yeah, stay tuned. So another thing is that I picked up this camera not that long ago, so I think it shoots very well. I've the last two videos, no, the last video that I made, I shot it with this camera. It's the Sony A6000. So let me know what you guys think about it too. I think it looks good. But we're gonna be trying it more and more on videos, photos, and see how it works.
Ya lo encontré with the cover off, bro. Like, you know, probably the wind, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Pero también lo encontré with my seguro unlocked.
I mean, if it's functional.
I mean, yeah. What I really want is something like a hydro brake, you know, where I can
Eso sí estaría chido. So right now I have my brother over here driving the front, and well, obviously he's gonna be driving the front, but so I'm right here sitting and just chilling, waiting for the light. There he is right now. So we're heading to downtown Hayward right now, and see if there's any spots to like take pictures, and definitely on the parking garage. So we're gonna be over there in a couple minutes. So I think we're doing okay. It's just that right now it's super windy, and sticking my head out the window, I can feel all the breeze hitting my face. I'm gonna need like lotion. So we're here with Omar, and he's 5'10". So you guys are gonna see this in the next video, so subscribe so you can like help out Omar reach 1,000 followers. So as you guys can see, like we just finished, and it's super windy. That's one of the things that I don't have a stabilizer, so if the videos come like a little shaky, I hope you guys understand, and just subscribe and hit the like button. That I will appreciate it so much, because that's gonna help me get 1,000 subscribers. We're a little bit close for 1,000. Just I guess that's like my goal right now. There were a lot of cars passing by, so we have to like move, go to the side, and keep me from shooting. But I thought there was gonna be like less cars because of the holiday, but I guess not. People are out buying and fucking doing shits. But yeah, I hope you guys like it.